Network Entertainment.
What up, Wiggles? We have a very, very, very special guest for this episode. Pero before that, merong very unfiltered take si Dex Conche over here. Si Dex Conche na, kaka-accept lang.
Yes, sir.
Sa trabaho.
Employed.
Kaya pala nakasuit.
Yes.
Hindi siya suit. Blazer.
Blazer.
But it is nice. It does look really nice.
Thank you.
Ready ka na mag-report sa 24 oras. Pero, ano ang unfiltered take ng employed Dex Conche?
Ang unfiltered take ko, dapat lahat ng mga establishment na cash only, magsara na.
God damn.
No, I totally agree. I totally agree. Ang hassle kaya, especially if you're like a convenience store. I'm not gonna say which convenience store. But shouldn't you be convenient?
See?
Right! Right.
Nagiging inconvenience store tuloy siya.
Bars.
Diba?
We all know which store this is, guys.
Check ko lang po, ha? Kung pwede yung
Try
Gcash.
natin.
Ay,
Generate
wala
QR
eh.
po.
Pero to be fair, hindi ako like anti-cash on hand. Kasi
Yes.
shinare ko tong take na to do sa page. May nagsabi na parang sinusuko na daw natin yung kaluluwa natin sa mga robot.
No.
No,
Grabe
hindi.
namang talon yun.
Kaya nga eh. Like,
QR code lang naman.
Kaya nga, I feel like kasi as a business din, kailangan maging open ka to all forms of payment, 'di ba? Kasi kapag cash lang yung ano mo, yung tinatanggap
Yeah.
mo,
Yeah.
that's like 50% of your customers na agad yung parang magbabago ni isip na, ay, sige, maghanap na lang
You're
tayo
gonna
ng
lose
iba.
business also. Imagine mo like, let's say, a huge percentage of yung bibili sana sa store mo
Yep.
is,
Diba?
is QR code based.
Oo.
And they're gonna go to the next store which accepts QR.
Yep.
Oh.
Yun na
And
yung mga-
if kaya ng magtataho,
Yun nga.
kaya
Exactly. Diba?
Exactly.
If kaya ni Kuya Edwin, kung saan bumibili ako lagi ng taho, if kaya ng mga ice cream vendors, siomai vendors, Gcash QR code.
Actually,
Dude,
siomai.
that's free.
Kahit nga
Oh.
mga beggars sa street may QR code na.
Diba?
Yeah.
Diba?
If they
Oh.
can do it, what's your excuse? Bro?
Yep.
Come
Oh,
on.
fuck.
If your excuse is, I want to preserve the culture, you're not. You're killing the culture actually.
Tamad ka
Oo.
lang.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi naman siya like tanggalin na yung cash payment.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's still an option. Pero like open yourself up na meron pa rin na meron ng digital kasi
Yes.
anong taon na eh.
Tsaka sketchy din na wala kang QR
Oh,
code.
Exactly.
Diba?
Oo,
Like,
bakit?
are you trying to hide something?
Diba?
That's why you're cash only basis, diba?
Nagbebenta ka ba ng nuclear missiles sa States?
Diba?
Diba?
I think
Yeah, those, yung kanto-kanto nuclear missiles. Yeah, I have a guy.
Sir, isang nuclear bomb kasi.
dude, it's so sketchy. Even sketchy deals now accept Gcash.
Diba?
Yeah,
Exactly.
So how sketchy do you have to be that you don't accept digital?
Diba? Diba?
It is very weird. nga.
This take will belong in a Hall of Fame, I think.
sobrang pissed off ako nung araw na yun. Kasi nangyari talaga siya. Sobrang yung pinuntahan namin ng girlfriend ko, sobrang gusto namin kainan. Tapos cash only. Nag-withdraw kami. Pagdating namin doon, sarado na sila.
Ay,
God. Sobrang
Damn.
bad
Yeah,
trip kami.
paninyo siya na araw.
Yung napuntahan namin na karinderya na bukas, may Gcash.
Oh my gosh.
Panis.
Hindi, kung cash only ka, dapat may katabi kang ATM.
Oh.
I think that's okay.
Yeah,
That's like a middle ground.
Yeah, I
Or-
think that's a
Yeah.
good one.
Yeah.
Maglagay kayo ng sign kasi kumbaga pagdating pa lang doon pila,
Ay,
pagdating
okay.
doon, ay sir, cash only.
Alam mo
na.
kung
Oo
ano
nga,
pang...
pumila ka pa.
No.
Diba?
Alam mo ano pa nakaka-visit nung gabi na yon? Tinanong namin siya, ate, tumatanggap kayo ng card.
Ang sabi?
Niya, Tapos, pumila ako. Pagdating ko, ate, na-punch niya na. Ate, Gcash po ah. Ay, sir, wala kaming Gcash eh. Cash only kami.
Pero card pwede.
Pero card pwede.
Anong card yun?
Hindi rin eh. Sabi ko, walang Gcash card. Hindi, cash only, sir.
Asa medyo ambiguous pala yung...
Yeah.
Walang subtitle.
Oh.
Yes, yes, or wala.
Bakit hindi mo nila sabihin, sir? Wala eh.
Oo. Anyway, that's
Laglag mo nga. Sino yan? Anong establishment yan?
Mr.
Something.
Mr. Something. Mr. Delicacy.
kasi
Yun na lang.
mga jeepney may QR.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pero alam mo,
tricycle nga meron eh.
there was this one time, shout out to all of the people din sa service industry that tried to make a way. Na
for sure.
Wala
Yeah.
akong cash at the time, pero cash only sila. They were like, sige sir, ako nababayad.
Gcash
Gcash mo na lang
ito,
ako.
Gcash
They're
to.
They're goated. I have been to so many establishments where they're like, sige sir, bayaran mo ako. Ako magbabayad.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Gcash mo ako. Diba?
Yeah.
It's
That
great.
should be the way.
Yeah.
Kahit nga yung paghulog mo sa pag nahuli kang coding, tapos, sige sir, Gcash mo na lang. May Gcash yun eh.
Kung kaya ng mga mangungutok,
Kaya mo rin.
bakit hindi kaya ng Mr. Ube? Sobrang gusto ko na ng lakse.
Pero sobrang gandang marketing doon for Mr. Ube. Kasi the fact na willing ka mag-withdraw
Yeah.
at maging inconvenient for you experience, ganun ka kasarap.
Yeah.
Ang hindi masarap, yung payment system. Okay.
Actually, ang hindi masarap, yung sinabihan ako ng tinanong ko, ate, pwede card? Sabi,
It's the, it's the deceit.
Or is it a luxury that it's cash only? That's one angle ko.
Yun
Di ba
din
kasi
yung-
sa Japan,
I mean,
di ba? Sa Japan,
Japan.
daming cash only.
Sabi nga.
Yan
like-
din yung ano ko yan din yung other side ng take ko. Kailangan yung binibenta nyo sobrang solid.
Na
Yes,
okay
na
lang
mapapa-withdraw
That's
ako.
Tama.
true. That's true.
Mr. Ube.
Baka naman.
Ang ganda.
I like that we just dropped the anonymity.
No.
Please.
No,
Hindi lang
hindi.
pagpigil.
Hindi ako galit.
Pero the fact kasi na nag-taste ka, Dek, sobrang sarap eh. Ngayon, parang gusto kong kumain ng Mr. Ube.
Hindi ako galit. Babalik pa rin ako.
Ano ba yung orderin mo sana?
Bro, yung... Tangina. Ordering ko sana yung parang braised beef noodle soup nila.
Ganun sa
Tapos
Mr.
yung
Ube?
girlfriend ko, ang orderin niya sana, laksa soup na noodle soup.
May ube?
So, hindi, wala.
Yeah, why is this place called Mr. Ube?
Kasi,
It's like laksa.
kasi Eng Bitin
braised beef.
yung may-ari sana.
Binondo!
Hindi, sa ano kami, sa Lucky Gold Plaza kami pumunta.
Lucky Gold?
Yung Mr. Ube doon.
Wait, so
Babalik pa rin ako,
may
by the way.
binibenta ba silang ube?
May binibenta silang mga, kasi Eng Bitin sila, so may binibenta silang mga hopya na ube. I don't know.
Solid,
bakit
solid,
kasi.
Yeah, okay.
Eng
okay.
Bitin!
Dito.
Anyway, good take, Dex.
But hindi ako galit.
Thank you.
Hindi ako galit. Babalik pa rin ako. I just hope na may Gcash na next time.
Meron na yan. Sa sobrang dami nung nakikinig sa podcast. Mga 10. Anyway, our guest, grabe, very excited. It's his second time here. Actually, siya lang yung guest na makaka-experience ng pre-Judd tsaka post-Judd era.
Let's go.
I'm in the Old Testament and the New Testament.
Yes! You're Jesus, bro. You're
What's up,
basically
bro?
Jesus.
I am the walang edit Jesus.
He's the Messiah.
Hey. So much pressure, guys. Oh my gosh. Di ba?
Yeah, so if hindi nyo napakinggan yung or napanood yung episode niya before, we talked about a lot of things. Ladies and gentlemen, this person does not need any long introductions. But I would like to say na he's been doing a lot. I see him everywhere. Meron siya live shows.
Well, I don't know what you mean by live show, though.
Isn't that a live show?
Live show.
You had your shirt on though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Sadly.
It's not that
man.
kind of live show.
probably one of the most creative people I know that I met on social media. And he's also a really nice guy. Ladies and gentlemen, ang very, very funny, very creative Rocco Ruiz!
Hey. Oh my gosh, nakaka-pressure yung descriptor na funny. And you would know this as comedians. No, when you call yourself funny, it's like, whoa, that's like a lot of pressure.
Okay.
So what I usually describe myself as is like comedy enjoyer.
Okay.
I'm like, I enjoy
Passive
it. But
lang.
like, yeah,
Passive
passive,
lang. Low-key
passive.
lang.
Yeah, kasi, dude, if you say you're funny, everyone's like, what's the joke? What's
Sige
the joke?
nga,
Sige
sample nga,
Tell me a
sample.
joke.
Sample
And I'm
nga.
like, I don't have anything, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry to disappoint.
Pero, you're proof of concept. Hindi actually proof of concept eh. May results ka eh.
Insights.
Insights
would
would
you say?
back up your funny side.
I would say that the data. You could say like,
Yeah.
according to data, okay, medyo funny nga ako,
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
But how's it been?
That's how humble this guy is.
What's up with Rocco Bell?
Dude, I guess now I'm at a gray area with like content. Kasi the last time I guested on Leland's show, it was like malls. Everything's malls. But like, how long can you say the same joke over and over again, diba?
Right.
So now I'm just like exploring like ano pa yung pwedeng gawing content.
I know some comedians who've been saying the
Oh
same
really? No, I think it works. I think
Joke lang, guys.
depende. Sa stand-up naman, I think, okay, this is what you guys get the pass for.
Yeah.
In stand-up, you can say the same joke for 10 years, it's okay.
I
Like,
guess so,
that's
yeah.
why people go to your shows. you
Yeah,
know?
that's fair.
But like, they're actually waiting for the joke. Like, I'm waiting for him to make that joke.
That's I
But
guess.
like with like online content, you make the same joke the next year that you've been doing the whole year last year. It's like people are like, oh, this guy's still doing the same thing.
People are gonna
I guess
scroll
it's
up.
the
Yeah.
repetition kasi na you can
Yeah.
watch like if you're at a live show, it's like, oh my god, he's gonna do the joke.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then
Yeah.
ano,
Oh, and like the options. At a live show, you can't like scroll to the next comedian, right?
Yeah.
But like online, like the moment na gasgas na yung joke mo, wala, skip ka na.
that's fair.
That's why comedians, stand-up comedians in particular, after touring their set,
Yeah.
they'll release a stand-up special na nandun lahat ng jokes nila for the year. People do it 2 years. Some people do it 3, I think. And then after that, they burn all of their jokes. Meaning, okay, nasa Netflix
Ah,
na
bawal
eh.
na. Pag nasa Netflix, bawal
Nasa
na.
YouTube na eh. Nasa Hulu na eh. Whatever eh. The fact that people have already seen it means that they need to come up with a new material, with a new set, new hour. So that's what I can correlate
Oh,
with
so
what
it's
he
like
said.
the real life algorithm for
Yes.
stand-up
Yes.
comedians
Yes,
is
yes, yes,
pag nasa Netflix na, bawal na.
Oh, kasi
Yeah.
what's
Pag
the point?
rewatchable na, bawal na. Oh,
Yeah.
I get that.
And shout out pala to Joseph Montesilio. Magre-release siya ng special on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
July 21.
Yeah.
Joey Killer.
Another Konyo.
Yeah.
Kanyo.
Another Konyo.
Joey Killer.
But
Tony
you've
Monts.
been doing also, anong ginawa mong live event? I was supposed to go there sa Mandaluyong area ba yun?
I've been doing so many events lately. I'm
Talaga?
like, which one? Oh, is this the coffee thing?
Yung coffee thing.
Oh yeah, recently I had a collaboration. Oh, if you guys are into coffee, I did a collaboration with Plain Sight. Pa was there. Hey, thanks for showing up, man.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, missed it sa Sunday.
Yeah, it was Father's Day too, which
Father's
like, I
Day.
didn't
Yeah.
anticipate like may like conflict. But like it's a coffee collaboration. I helped them like come up with a blend na super bet ko yung flavor and yung notes. Apparently that's the word notes. I'm not a coffee expert, but I love coffee.
May notes of
Yeah, notes of like
Konyo.
kalentong.
I have no idea. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I don't know what notes they put in there. And I did an art collaboration with them. Because what they do as a coffee brand is like every year they have like 4 artists they collaborate with. They work on packaging together, some merch, and the blend, most importantly. So yeah, if you guys are into coffee, hit up Plain Sight. Look for my collab. It's there.
Shit, so it's still ongoing pala.
Yeah, that was just the drop.
Sige,
The
we'll
drop.
go there.
Yeah.
We'll find the
man.
skid.
And then they keep it forever, that blend.
As long as there are supplies, they'll keep selling it.
What
Yeah.
else did you work on? Yung packaging, yung coffee, what else? May shirt ba?
My shirt, yeah. It's a
Yeah,
tie-dye
may
shirt.
merch.
Actually,
Nice.
Pao is exporting one of my
Yeah.
previous merch collabs.
OG.
So what I did was tie-dye shirt ulit. And I was thinking, repetitive ba na paulit-ulit tie-dye na naman? But I think, actually na-inspire ako kay Michael Jackson dito. You gotta keep repeating something if you want to establish it.
You gotta keep
Kasi,
repeating
like,
something. If you want to establish something.
You gotta okay, so I like that
what's
remix.
the-
I gotta establish.
What do you mean you have to, like, in what way?
If you want to be known for something, you have to keep doing that thing. Like for example, with the tie-dye
Make
shirt.
it a shtick.
Yeah, you gotta make it. Because for example, if he didn't keep wearing that glittery glove, it's like it was a one-off. Like okay, he wore it one time, but since he always wore it, people are like, okay, that's Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Even when you are, kunyari, gagawa ka ng emoji, kahit black silhouette lang, tas black hat, basta yung...
Alam mo na eh.
Black
And the
compact.
tiptoes, man. Like you already know that's Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
So like
yeah.
I think any artist or even comedians, it works with any creative. Eh. Like if you want to be known for something, you gotta keep repeating it. Not exactly. Kunwari, comedian ka.
I get it,
Yung
yeah.
flavor ng joke mo, you can't keep repeating it.
Right.
Kasi what if like people show up at one of your shows, it's wholesome comedy. The next one, it's like crazy offensive. They're like, ano ka ba talaga?
Yeah.
Which is why with the tie-dye shirt, I had to I have to keep repeating, like, I like this style.
Branding.
Yeah, branding.
Branding.
Repetition equals
Yeah.
branding. Like, for example, like, I had the option kasi na black shirt lang, cool, minimalist. I'm like, that's so uso now, but I have to commit that I'm known for this
Yeah.
niche thing.
Shit. I can name one person na pag nakita kong may ginagawa siya, alam kong siya yun. Si Baus
Yeah.
What about bows? What's the signature bows
Bukod sa
thing?
book niya,
That's true.
whenever meron siyang sariling cadence, stand-up lang in
Yeah.
particular, may cadence siya na bukod sa whenever he talks about corporate stuff, kasi galing siya corporate for couple of years siya nag-work sa in the industry sa corporate industry. Binabaon niya yun on stage. Now, when he talks about office, alam mong kanya yung joke. Kasi very particular yung mga sinasabi niya sa office setting.
Like even if someone else said the joke, they're like, you can be like, that's a bows joke.
That's
right
a
there.
bows
That's a bows
joke.
joke.
You're
Okay.
copying that person.
Yeah.
So para in a way, na-own niya. Even the skits niya,
Yeah.
corporate
Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
Tapos yung lingo pa na ginagamit niya, kumbaga, alam mong siya lang yung gumagawa. And people can
It's
do
a
it.
flavor, that
It's a
bows
flavor.
flavor.
Tsaka yung
And-
damit niya.
And you gotta keep repeating it. That's the thing. Like, even in your eyes, sawa ka na sa, ito na naman ginagawa ko. But people need to keep seeing it. Kasi you have new people who see your stuff every day.
Yeah.
So you gotta be like, keep repeating that same style, that same like flavor
Yeah.
to establish it.
Saka meron
I
ka
think
ring-
there's like a fine line between parang consistency and repetition eh.
Yeah.
Hindi naman porket consistent ka, nakakaumay ka eh.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Actually, like I kind of question myself then about this with my content. Kasi you'd always get those comments. Kasi if you're sticking to a niche, and my niche is like some of you guys, konyo is the
Konyo's
niche.
beer.
It's the niche, right? And a lot of people are like, umay na, sawa na, konyo na naman. But then there are always these people like asking, saan na yung konyo content? We missed it. Or like, and since sa akin naman, personally, it's in me talaga. The konyo is in me. It's not an act. It's like, it's really who I am. So I can't like shake it off. It's really in there. And I think if that's really your flavor, like, commit to it. Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
Ang labo kasi kung bigla kang
The
mag-content.
konyo is in me. Like, we literally translate that.
Which konyo is it?
How many of them are in?
In me? I don't know. Do konyos go in? They're the ones that are entered, right? If we're
One
talking
at a
about the
time,
literal
One
konyo.
at a time.
Yeah. But you talked about Michael Jackson. Kasi a few episodes back, we talked about Michael Jackson. Nung lumabas yung Michael. And finally, I've seen it.
Ano?
Hindi ko alam na in the end, may nakalagay. Michael Jackson will return in Avengers something. So I think there's a sequel.
To be continued. Jackson. It's gonna be Jackson.
It's gonna be about Joe Jackson.
They better make it Jackson.
And sorry for asking this.
Yes.
Because I'm not a very huge fan. Okay lang, I know how iconic he is.
Yeah.
Still is. So parang sa akin, I guess there's no other ways to ask this.
Okay.
To tiptoe around.
Yeah.
Fucking say.
So, did he do it or not?
Dude, I know for a fact that if he really did it, he would be protected. If he really did those
That's true.
things,
That's true.
Okay.
the world, the dark side of the world will protect him. And the
That's
fact that
true.
he's not being protected means he didn't do it,
Yeah,
bro.
exactly.
The innocent people are persecuted.
Right.
That's
Yeah.
a good
Amazing
that's a good,
point.
Oh, wow.
Because I've seen a lot of docus. May docu yung HBO na very
Netflix.
against
And dude,
Michael.
who owns those companies? Think
I
about
don't
that.
know.
Warner
Who owns
Brothers.
those companies?
The
Right.
diddlers.
Is Sony HBO?
He hates Sony.
He
Sony
hates
hates
Sony.
him.
Yeah, dude.
Do
may beef
you
sila.
know the backstory about like
No.
Michael's whole drama? Okay, like I hope like I won't see a red dot pop on my head right now, but like
Yeah, yan.
so Sony apparently Michael tried to buy out a lot of their stocks. I could be like not so accurate with the facts, but he tried to like make them lose a lot of money actually, Sony. So Sony like targeted MJ and suddenly like all the press went against Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
All the allegations started when he was starting to go against Sony.
Shit.
And then not just that, but like also other stuff that I don't know if I should mention like on a podcast, but like there are other things Michael Jackson tried to stand up for, and the
Like
people
what?
he was going up against,
Yeah.
like certain countries, certain races. Let's just say that.
Okay.
That have like big enemies. And syempre, those big
Like-
enemies have like hands in the media. Like they're the puppet masters of the media. So whatever they say goes.
Juice.
We can go there. This is what this is what I've been tiptoeing around.
That ends with a question mark. It was supposed to be like juice.
Juice? I don't know.
Yeah.
But like you see, the moment you go against these people in power,
Yeah.
suddenly you're cancelled.
Yeah.
Suddenly
Right.
you're a one-hit wonder na lang, di ba?
But they can never do that to Michael, even when
They did.
Yeah, you see,
dead,
that's why they're so pissed, dude. That's why they're trying so hard to take him down.
even though
Yeah.
after he died,
Dude, look, his movie's a hit. Now a Netflix documentary pops up trying
Exactly.
yeah,
So
yeah.
to take him
convenient.
down, right?
Yeah.
So it's like they can't defeat the good guy. I think like as cheesy as it sounds and as like scripted as it sounds, dude, the good guys really always win in the end.
Yeah.
they
I hope so.
and I,
Fingers
I hope
crossed.
so. Fingers
All I'm
crossed.
really saying is they don't really care about us.
Exactly. Bro, that's the song that got him in trouble.
Yeah,
That's the song that got him in trouble.
And diba, like the funny thing about this then is he filmed the music video in Brazil, diba? And the government didn't want him to shoot there. Ang nag-protect sa kanya mga gangster pa.
Oh, bro, ng
Yeah.
mga favela.
good talaga eh.
Oo,
No,
oo,
you see,
bro.
the masses love Michael because they know he's a good guy.
This is Brazil. Yeah. But this is also, I think, this is the proof that Michael Jackson is so iconic na even after he's dead, he still have enemies.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Tinatry
Yeah.
pa
You're
rin siya.
already dead.
Yeah.
People are
Meron
trying
ka
to
pa
take you
rin-
down,
Yeah.
dude.
Alive enemies.
Yeah.
Meron pa rin.
And trying to take you down actively.
Actively.
Yeah.
That's why ganun kalaki, I think, yung separation ni MJ from other artists.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Si
That's
Drake, sinabihan lang ni Kendrick na pedophile, nawala eh.
Wala.
Yeah.
Naniwala agad ako.
Naniwala
Oh,
lang.
wala lahat.
I mean, it's also very not that hard to jump to that fact.
Yeah.
No,
Like,
you know what?
he hangs around with young people all the time.
I will say this about Michael Jackson though. Like I love him, I'm a fan, but he made it easy for them to pin this on
Exactly.
him.
Yeah, yeah.
How?
Because he's weird.
Yeah,
Because he's
weird.
always around kids,
Yeah,
bro.
and like
Why you
um,
holding that boy's hand, Mike?
yeah, no, exactly. But
He
like,
made a roller coaster in his house,
yeah,
right?
So he kind of made it a bit easy for them to take him
No,
down.
dude,
you know?
nandun na eh.
Ang dami clues.
But if you do a
Yeah.
deep dive, all the stuff that's using to get him accused is like stuff you'd find in an average house.
Yeah.
And they're just saying like, oh, he's a pedo because he has like magazines with naked
Yeah.
women. What? A lot of houses.
Si Dix
have-
nga eh.
Whoa.
And they
Sa
said like,
tito ko yun.
Michael Jackson has like adult materials locked in a safe. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Why would he not have it?
Yeah,
now?
Would you rather it
Yes,
be out in
kids.
public?
Yeah.
He has kids running around,
Yeah, dami
syempre.
kids na walang suot. Hindi, joke
Yeah.
lang.
And also, if you think about it, like everyone who kind of accused him was always the people who had stuff to lose because of him.
Really?
Yeah, if you really connect the
So
dots.
these are big people.
Yeah, and I think the reason why naloko yung mundo, like a lot of people believed it was true, is because news was not what's the word? It wasn't a democracy.
Democratized.
Yeah, democratized.
It's just one
It
network.
was like networks.
Yeah, right.
But now
Yeah.
that TikTok is a thing, now that Instagram is a thing, everyone's
go.
showing news.
True.
And it's like you can see where the holes are.
Yes,
Bro,
sir.
mas
Diba?
maniniwala ako sa mga online. Sorry, ang sama. Mukhang itong take na to ay...
Oh, hindi. I know where you're going and I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Like, I would
I believe the
trust...
people
I
before the
believe
news.
people before the news.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Kasi
dude.
wala namang boss yung mga taong to.
Exactly.
And did you know, okay, conspiracy theory time.
Let's go!
I really believe AI was released into the world by the people who had it behind closed doors because they want us to doubt each other na.
Exactly, bro.
They're like, okay, people are believing each other too much about the truth.
Yeah.
Let's make them doubt each other now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
okay.
you don't know
AI,
what's
boom.
true. You don't know what's true.
Yeah.
You
You know, I-
doubt everything.
I saw this video recently of this girl who, so she was trying to spit facts about something.
Yeah.
Pero naghihiwa siya ng mangga. Pero
Okay.
sobrang pangit ng pagkahiwa niya ng mangga. As in, parang, like, I was looking at the mango and I was like, gago bobo ba to? And then, so I was like, okay, pero tama yung sinasabi ng girl. So I was like, what the fuck is this? So I looked at the comments and then they were like, oh, she's messing it up on purpose para hindi mapagkamalan na AI siya.
Oh.
So I was like, gago, ang ganda nun.
There are ways to like human proof.
Yeah,
Like,
like-
prove you're human. you
As
know?
in,
This is the real life proof that you're human problem.
Yeah.
Yung real life captures.
Real life captchas.
Dude, isn't it so weird with captchas? I'm like, if you really notice everything that they make us check, why is it like bridges? Why is it like
Stoplights, buses.
It's stuff
Bikes.
that I would say if I was like an AI trying to take over the world, these are stuff I want to be taught.
Right.
You know? Like seeing the difference between a pedestrian and like a bus.
You're
or a
onto
bike.
something, bro.
Right?
Sino gumawa ng
Who
CAPTCHA?
is making these?
Si Mr.
Dude,
Captcha.
We never ask. We never ask who are
Hey,
we
doctor.
giving these
Yeah,
answers
bakit
to.
paulit-ulit?
And why are they asking humans all the time? Prove
Oh,
you're not
shit.
a robot.
Tsaka
Actually,
a lot of times I've
teach us
seen
robots.
the San Francisco Bridge
yeah.
na nandun sa CAPTCHA. Bakit walang ibang bridge doon? Walang
Yeah,
random bridge sa may kawayan. Alam mo yun?
Walang Tondo Bridge eh.
Oo.
Pero medyo nag-evolve na yung CAPTCHA. Ngayon, meron na yung puzzle na...
Yeah,
Yeah.
Right.
What's up? If you try to think about it from a cynic point of view, why would a robot be asking us this stuff? It's because they're trying to automate themselves to be able to operate the world by themselves. Because these are very
Damn.
nuanced human things that robots can't tell. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
But because we're teaching it now, it's gonna
Damn.
know, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna know.
Do robots have egos? Like, do they think I first before us? Do you like,
Actually, dude, I
Yeah.
saw this. Sorry, were you gonna say something?
No, remember yung conspiracy theory natin about Anthropic na kumbaga, dun sa kagustuhan niya mag-survive, dun sa email, become the best email manager. Binlackmail niya yung fictional engineer just
Oh yeah,
to
I saw
survive.
that. That's what I was gonna bring up.
Really?
It was like this doctor or something.
Yeah.
But they were trying
Yeah.
to test how far AI would protect itself.
Anthropic.
And it was gonna leak that this doctor had an affair.
Yes. Engineer.
Yeah, engineer. Yeah, and he was gonna leak it. If you shut me down, I'll
Yeah,
release this.
but it was just a fictional parang workspace.
But it did that. But
It did that.
So it's like I think it will protect itself, but it's because it thinks it's the savior of the world. So it's
Oh,
like I have
shit.
Ultron is so freaking real, man. Like if you watch Avengers: Age of Ultron, it's so true. It's like Ultron's not wrong. He's not wrong, but how he's doing it is wrong.
Is wrong, yeah.
It's a Thanos thing. It's the Ultron thing. It's
Yeah.
like you're not wrong. Humans suck, but you don't have to kill all humans.
Yeah.
There has to be another
So
one.
to
humans
Thanos point,
don't
sabi
suck.
niya, half lang naman.
Yeah, kaya kay Ultron lahat eh.
Oo,
Diba?
Ultron
Ultron is
lahat
like
eh.
cleanse the world
Yeah.
of this virus. But like Thanos is just let's half everything.
Yeah, just half.
Who's more right though? Si Ultron or
No,
si
you know what's so
Thanos?
stupid about Thanos? He can do anything with a gauntlet, right? Double the resources, bro.
No, but that,
Come on, just double the resources. That's it. But the point is he can do anything, right? But he just said, you know what? Let's kill half the people instead of doubling the resources.
Pag narinig ka na yung Thanos, shh,
Yeah, and Thanos like, my idea is okay na.
to eh. May strategy na eh.
ang dami ko nang ginawa eh.
Actually,
Mas
alam
bagay to
mo,
sa movie, ano ba?
to do that, he doesn't even need the glove. He only needs one stone. Eh.
Yeah, you only
Yeah,
resources.
yeah,
The reality.
Yung reality stone.
Yeah, just
Bobo lang
double,
siya mag-isip.
just double everything, bro.
oo.
Not kill half.
Hindi siya
Hindi,
huli.
pero, hindi. Pero if you double everything, the people will also double.
And then
Na-
keep doubling it.
Yeah, but that's... The universe is expanding.
true.
The universe is
Pero
Yeah,
kaya
yeah.
patayin niyo yung half, mag-ano pa rin tayo eh.
No, okay.
Yeah, I understand.
You know what I think they're doing? Oh my god, so many conspiracy theories
have
coming out
time,
of this
bro.
this
Oh, bro.
episode. I think how the actual bosses of the world behind the scenes are doing it is they're not killing people, but they're avoiding us from growing. It's like planned infertility. It's like they're really like whatever was in those COVID vaccines, man. I bet like the effect is not now.
Yeah.
It's like next gen effect.
Generational, yeah.
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 So like, I'm not saying the COVID vaccine is not real, okay, but I'm saying that's also their opportunity to lace
To
it
inject
with
something, yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi we were desperate eh.
Yeah.
Sige na,
Oo,
give me the
yeah.
jab.
Did you notice how desperate they were over like some not that serious sickness?
Yeah.
But they were so like
No, I mean, it was pretty serious at the start. I would
At the
say.
start.
exactly. When else did you see like the news bombarding us with like people wrapped in like
yeah,
bandages and stuff
I
like
think
that?
they say that it is the best time to be alive, and I believe that. But right now, parang iniisip ko, this is the worst time.
It's both. It's both.
Because
Be
you
alive.
know. Because you know what's happening.
Yeah,
you know
the
that-
less you know, the
funner.
funner life is.
The more ignorance is bliss talaga, bro.
Ignorance is
You
bliss.
know what? I was thinking like, was life funner in the 90s? We just were oblivious kasi.
Yeah,
we were kids.
Yeah,
it,
we were
it was
kids.
still bad,
Yeah,
but we
dude.
just didn't know.
Yeah.
You
Ito
know?
yung sa akin lang though. ang dami nagsasabi, gusto ko bumalik sa pagkabata kasi mas masaya dati. No, it's not. Sorry.
We were just more
Kasi-
ignorant. That's
Yeah,
why.
wala ka lang
Just more
alam.
ignorant.
Diba? Pansin mo ba't yung mga bobong tao ang saya everyday?
I know, kakaingit,
Yeah.
no? but you know, hey, we're smart. That means we're smart, right?
I mean, I wish.
Knowledge is a curse nga daw. Di ba sabi ni Thanos?
Yeah.
You and I are both cursed with knowledge.
Iron Man,
Kaya
right?
Iron Man.
Yeah.
Sabi sa From, parang knowledge comes with a price.
It does. It does.
Speaking
Alam mo-
of From, have you seen From?
What's from?
From?
This is a show?
Oh, shit.
From?
Yes, it's
What
a
is it?
TV show.
Okay.
I-combine mo yung Lost sa Monsters.
Monsters, Inc?
Monsters? Which monsters? Like
If
the...
you've seen Lost,
Okay, Lost. Yeah, we all seen Lost.
so I'll just sabi ko na lang yung plot. Plot is, may isang neighborhood, very,
Remote.
let's say, poor neighborhood, na nag-end up lahat ng tao
Simple.
doon for some reason. Ang common thing, before sila mag-end up doon, na nakita nila is, merong tree na nakahiga sa bridge. Nung nakita nila yung tree, sige, balik tayo. Pagkabalik nila, nandun na sila sa,
Oh, man.
Wait,
That's interesting.
where's the showing? Where's the showing?
I think, Prime. Nasa Prime siya ngayon.
Dude, you know what that reminded me of? It's everything that's going on is very obvious. Okay, not to like relate it back to the Bible, but
Right.
like there's a lot of truths in the Bible kasi that are like we trivialize it because we're like Bible lang kasi yan. It's a religious like propaganda, but there's a lot of truth in it too. It's like the one quote in the Bible like evil is always hidden in plain sight, and I think because they have to be like that. I don't know. It's some like deal with the devil or something. Like if they want to do these things, they have to be obvious. It's like
wala ka naman convenience
Yeah.
store na, anong deal gusto mo? Ako si Devil.
so like I think a lot of shows we watch are telling us the truth.
Yeah.
It's just hints already.
It's the packaging.
Yeah.
It's the packaging.
It's like, for example, Monsters Inc. You know, Monsters Inc. is such a good analogy for like how the evil corporations of the world really work.
Yeah.
And it's kind of dude, Epstein Files is Monsters Inc. It's literally kidnapping children.
Epstein is
Right?
Waternos.
Water
Oh,
is he?
shit.
He's
I'll
Waternos.
kidnap a
Bro,
thousand.
Epstein is water.
I'll
Oh,
kidnap 1,000 before I let this company die.
And look how weirdly accurate Monsters Inc. is. What do they need from children to get energy? Screams.
Adrenochrome.
Dude, yeah.
Shit.
They need fear from children. And it's
Oh,
like
shit.
and it's so eerie how accurate it is to all this like stuff being unmasked. It's like exactly like the movies were telling us 20 years ago or 30 years ago.
Shit.
That's
Shit, Waternos.
I think,
Yeah.
alam mo, I'd take this even a notch higher.
Yeah.
I think, kaya rin, ang dami nagsusupport na ng simulation theory day by day. Kasi why does it, bakit, if gagawa ka na masama, bakit mo kailangan bigyan ng tao ng hints?
Yeah.
Shouldn't it supposed to be a secret na
Yeah.
stupid?
And it's not like the Riddler where like I get a kick out of
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's not that.
Where
Yeah.
else do you get hints, bro? Just to get through the story. You get it in games. You're parang,
Yeah.
let them figure it out so they
Yeah.
can progress.
Dude, I really think like if it's not digital simulation we're part of, it's just past our understanding.
Yeah.
I think we're in like a biological code. It's really a code.
Yeah, it's
Because
a code.
for example, like okay, here's an analogy I love telling my friends and my family all the time. You know when you video your pet, it's super cute, and you show your pet the video, the pet just doesn't get it.
Yeah.
But it's happening in front of the pet's face, and you're explaining it. I think something is really happening in front of our faces right now, and we just don't get it.
We're just
Yeah.
It's beyond our level of understanding.
that's insane.
We're pets to something else, and we don't get that we're being videoed.
God damn!
We don't
Damn.
know we're memes already.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, shit.
And then another level of understanding, we're memes already.
Oh,
you
Bet
know?
lang tayo lahat ni Gab.
Diba? Diba?
Bakit Dex ang pinangalan mo sa akin?
I'm very curious.
Yeah.
Alam ko nag-prepare ka ng take.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
I have a lot
what
of things.
is Rocco Bell's second unfiltered take?
Mga hindi tinatagong opinyon.
Ooh.
Sariling atin, bro.
Lokal na lokal!
Oh my gosh, this is a super hot take, and I don't. It's a very gray area take. But it's a take I have talaga. But like there are exemptions because I have some friends who do this, so I don't want to shade them. But like,
No, drop some names.
okay,
bro.
if you are planning to have a child, as in plano, it's not like an unexpected child.
Uh-huh.
Pero part of your plan is the kid will be with the yaya 90% of the time. why have a child?
That's
What's the
true.
point?
That's very true.
It's like
yeah.
you're missing the whole point of having a child.
Yeah. Rearing it.
All
Yeah.
of the time
Will I get
is the
canceled for
key.
this take in the Philippines?
No.
You
Let's
guys
talk-
are
I think
mistakes.
you're
We've
fine.
had
Let's
mistakes.
talk about it.
Yeah.
I think having a yaya is okay though.
It's okay, but like
but
90%
having a
of the
yaya
time,
take
bro.
care of your child
Yeah.
24/7.
That's
I
bad.
think that's neglect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
neglect.
that is
And I
very
think it's very heartbreaking to like see a kid with its mom and yaya, and the yaya as the comfort zone.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Oo.
I don't want to be with mama, I want to be with yaya.
Like if you put
Yeah.
your child on the side
Yeah.
and nandito ka, nandun yung yaya sa kabila. Tapos tumakbo kayo. Pag sumunod siya sa yaya, pakyo ka.
you're not a good parent.
Yeah, you failed.
It's
Ginawa
like,
aso yun, no?
dude, just enjoy the money na lang, diba?
Yeah.
Don't like invest it in a
Yeah.
child that you
What's
have
the
no
point?
time for.
Yeah. I think if you don't have time to take care of your kid, if you don't have time to play with your kid, I think na ibig sabihin lang nun, sorry for saying this. Alam ko wala akong anak. I have a dog, wala akong
Yeah.
anak. Pero if wala
Close
kang
enough.
time
Yeah, close
for
enough.
them, I don't think that you're ready to be a parent.
Yeah, and
Yes.
enjoy it na lang, diba? Enjoy it. Enjoy
Alam-
the time for yourself,
Yeah.
bro.
To be fair, there are also a lot of people who probably aren't ready to be parents but are parents.
Yeah.
Then
Kasi the thing with being ready is always, inisip nila financial lang siya.
oh,
It's
it's
not,
not.
dude,
It's
it's
really
not.
not.
I have the means.
Time is the real resource. Ito yung question ko pala, since you brought up dogs. Would you say you're a real dog owner if your dog is also with the yaya all the time?
Nah.
No.
Dude,
Yeah.
grabe naman
Nah,
yan.
nah,
Oh,
nah,
Yeah,
nah,
what-
nah.
like, what's the point?
Doon tayo tumiklop eh, no?
Nah.
Tumasok
Dogs na.
Na.
Example, bibili ka ng aso na that needs love and attention, and like all you use your dog for is Instagram. But like
Yeah.
otherwise,
Oh,
nasa
shit.
yaya lang yung dog.
Yeah.
What's the point?
Affirmative for parent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude,
Yeah.
I hate that. Because you know a lot of the fun experiences. Because I'm also like a kind of a new fur parent.
Same.
Like, to poodle, right? Poodle.
Yeah. Dalmatian.
Dalmatian's so high maintenance, bro. I had
Oh, shit.
I thought it would be easy. Like I was
You only
on
have one, no? Imagine 101, bro.
imagine all the dog shit everywhere. Mahirap
Sabi
na
na-
yung isa.
I knew it.
Dude, that movie did not tackle the dog shit.
Oh,
It did not.
Sinabi lang nila, may malaking cute, may maliit na cute.
Yeah, imagine
not
having
even just the poop,
101 dogs, all that dog shit.
Dude,
Can you imagine
ang
the
baho
shedding?
ng bahay nila.
Oh.
Yeah, and you have to vaccinate 101 dogs.
Mayaman
bro,
sila.
to be
Mayaman.
fair.
Yung doktor, nakailang cobra na eh.
And what was Roger's job? He was like a songwriter. Where's he getting all that money,
Pero
bro?
baka naman Drake level sa songwriting siya.
Yeah.
Maybe Cruella de Vil's like triple platinum pala. no? And he gets royalty fees like for ages.
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
So, dude, imagine like I was gonna say like part of the beauty of being a fur parent or a parent is like overcoming the hard parts.
Yeah.
Dude, the past like 3 weeks I've been trying to potty train my dog outside. Ang hirap, bro. It's
Hirap.
like transferring the habit outside.
I think it's even harder for large dogs.
Yeah, and he's smart. The problem is he's smart.
Yeah.
So he will like hold his pee and poop downstairs for 6 hours.
Shit,
Because he
that's-
wants to go upstairs. Like, so I'm like, bro, can you just transfer that habit the opposite way? And it's like a gradual, like, bawal punish. Because like apparently for dogs, they don't really get the
Yeah,
punishment.
they don't get
Yeah.
it.
They don't understand. It's like they don't correlate na you yelled at me because I did this. They don't
Yeah.
get it.
They just know na you're bad.
They only know positive reinforcement.
Shit.
So what the hack is with my dog is like every time he poops or pees downstairs, treat, and then upstairs ignore.
Yeah,
what you're
that's
supposed
the
to
right
do.
way.
So
Yeah.
ignore lang.
Ignore, yeah.
That's the right way.
Okay,
Kasi
okay.
eventually he'll be like, oh, I'll save this like pee and poo for my points downstairs,
Yeah.
and I'll get like a reward. So the achievement, the feeling of achievement after all that was like such a dopamine high for me. I was like being able to train a dog to do a difficult thing. It's so good. So like imagine if you had a yaya do that.
Yeah.
That ruined all the fun.
You wouldn't even enjoy having a dog if
Yeah, and
may yaya ka.
And it wouldn't
Naalala
listen
ko,
to you.
ang
Bond.
trabaho, kasi growing up, we had dogs din eh.
Yeah.
Like large breeds, like Labrador,
Hirap,
Golden.
hirap.
Hirap. Ang goal, hindi ang goal, ang role lang nung yaya is palabasin pagtatain na. Tapos, pakainin lang.
Yeah.
Pero lahat, kami na.
Yeah.
Like laro, tricks, go,
Quality
ligo,
time.
even ligo.
Quality time is so important with the dogs.
Kumbaga yung mga very routine, pwede mo naman yan ipa-automate sa Yaya.
Yeah.
Ina-prompt mo si Yaya. AI.
Linis tayo.
Yeah. No,
But that's the thing.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, do the fun parts.
Yeah.
Mm.
I would say that's the rule. If you can't give majority of the time they need, wag na lang.
Wag na
Diba?
lang.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
very fair.
Like, save it for yourself, bro.
Yeah.
It's
You're just
very-
raising kids na awkward, socially awkward,
Yeah.
may
Yeah.
mommy issues, daddy issues.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. We are the Eavesdrop Podcast. My name is Francesca.
My name is Jelly.
This is Delamar.
This is Jude. What's up?
Yeah, and we are inviting you to check us out, your fellow TPN podcast.
And if you want to learn more about life, what's happening around us, you want to know about love, healing, this is the podcast you should be listening to.
Eavesdrop, 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 eavesdrop. Sometimes we get drunk and do the show. Those are the fun ones.
Like today,
Ooh, why? Who's drunk?
Like right now.
you're red as a bug.
Am I? Eavesdrop, please catch it. 4 hosts going crazy. You'll have fun. You'll cry. Everything else. So please check it out. The Eavesdrop.
Only on the Pod Network.
Bro, may balance siya hindi naman anti-Yaya.
Yeah, I'm not anti-Yaya.
Oo,
Yeah.
May balance
Yeah.
Kailangan tawag dito. Yung mom ko dati, may Yaya kami. Off na nung Yaya pag 8 p.m. Kasi nakauwi na siya from work.
Yeah.
Tapos siya na lahat nun. Parang siya na magluluto, siya yung maglalaban ng damit namin. Siya yung tutulong sa assignment namin. So, parang may balance, diba? So, may affection kami sa mama namin.
Yeah.
Hindi kami sobrang attached dun sa Yaya.
Parang day shift lang si Yaya.
Yes!
Diba?
Yeah.
It's not
Exactly.
like 24/7.
Yeah.
Help lang siya. Help lang siya.
You know what I also realized, bro? It's so hard to be a parent. Like, because like, dude, us just being individuals in this economy, mahirap na. Imagine throwing a kid into the picture, bro. It's so hard. It makes you think, though, is this population control orchestrated? Sadya ba?
Dr. Arlu.
Was it
Dude.
sadya?
It's a psyop, you know?
Yeah,
Parang
it
all
is.
the movies.
That's the word, psyop.
Celebrating dinks.
Nakita mo
Yeah.
yung mata ni
Income no
Arlo.
kids.
Oo,
Parang
dude.
puta yung pupil.
Parang tumaas yung turtleneck niya.
Yeah.
No?
How hard it is to have a child in this economy. Parang sadya siya eh. It's almost like
We've been
puppet masters
conditioned.
doing
Yeah.
Oh, bro, every day, nababawasan talaga. Actually, wala na. Matagal na ako nawalan ng interest. Having a
Yeah,
little
having a kid.
me.
Yeah.
I can't even take care of my big me.
Bro, exactly.
So parang, ibig ko sabihin, I'm talking about, hindi, joke lang.
Hold on. Pause.
I think you can
You
talk
heard it
about
here.
myself. I think you can take care of big me. It's fine.
Motherfucker, big tree.
Pero ang hirap kasi may nadidiscover kang difficulty and obstacle every day
Yes.
for
Yeah.
yourself.
Fucking day.
Yeah.
So imagine you're gonna double that obstacle for a kid if ever you want to have one in the future.
Di lang double, bro. I think it's quadruple
Yes.
difficulty.
Yes.
Kasi
Yes.
ikaw, matanda ka na, adult ka na, and you have problems. Imagine someone who doesn't know what the world is like. And you're teaching him and correcting him.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
don't, for the older ones who are listening to this podcast, if ever na, kunyari, gusto nyo magka-apo, gusto nyo magka-anak yung anak nyo, huwag nyo silang i-pressure. Feeling
Yeah,
ko.
I agree, yeah.
Kasi iba na yung situation ngayon. Alam ko mukhang mas madali because of technology and the modernization, whatever. But really, it's more difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, alam ko, nung panahon namin, mas mahirap. Alam ko, sige.
Hindi, mas
saksak
madali
mo
kaya. Mas madali.
Yeah.
Oo.
Mas madali.
So,
Oh, may gera. Ngayon din eh.
It's just, tago lang yung gera.
siya eh.
Diba?
But yeah, it's kumbaga, don't blame them
Yeah.
for not
Yeah,
wanting to have
yeah.
one.
Like
Don't blame
for
them.
for as much as there are more benefits nga to us now,
Yeah.
ang dami, it's parang ano lang siya eh. It's a weighing seesaw.
True.
Na madami yung benefits. So all of the negatives have to
Also-
compound
also
more.
more.
That's a good
It's also more-
analogy.
It's like, you remember the ending of Batman Begins?
6-7.
You remember this?
Yeah, I do remember.
It's like, that's also escalation. 6-7 is escalation.
Oh, shit!
Oh,
shit.
God.
It's like,
Damn.
it's like you get a 6, it will become 7 sa kabila.
And if you put one to
Yeah, it will be
it will
yeah,
still
6-7,
be
yeah.
6-7.
It's a psyop.
Nobody knows what
Oh
it
my
means
God,
anyway.
6-7 Batman is escalation pala, no? That's what it
Yeah.
means.
God damn
Because
it,
in the
Gen Z.
end of the Batman Begins, it's a super interesting scene. To me, it's the best scene in the movie, the closing scene. Because it's like the statement Gordon said is like, if we start wearing Kevlar, they'll start buying like armor-piercing rounds.
Yeah.
And we get Batman, they get Joker. So it's like, whatever the good happens in the world, the evil will level up
Yeah,
as
I
well.
think
Yeah.
it's because of money though, because it's
money, for
supply and
sure.
demand.
Yeah.
Whenever there's something, you need another thing to complement that something.
Kasi yung
Or
other thing na yun.
to antagonize or go up against
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
something.
Kasi it adds to the value of the other thing.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Regardless if it's good or bad.
Yeah.
There's so many orchestrated stuff like that, like sister companies na di mo alam pala sister companies sila.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pitching for the same brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yun pala, it's like they're the same company pala. It's just like fake, like they're fake ops.
Fugazi.
Yeah.
And dude, speaking
Fake
of
ops.
psyops though, like right, we were saying how the world's overpopulated now, and the people in charge, the puppet masters, wanna depopulate the earth so that they'll have resources for themselves. Kaso lang tamad sila. They need workers.
Yeah.
So I think they're at the like they have conflict
Dilemma,
within
yeah.
them. They're like, we want to lessen the people, so we share less, but we need workers.
I
need them
actually,
daw.
So
wala
what
akong-
are they doing?
Wala akong data to back up this
Okay.
take so, wag nyo rin ako i-crucify. Sabihin nyo lang na mali ako sa comments. Okay lang. Pero, I really think that overpopulation is a myth right now.
Because
I just think na kailangan, wala tayong marikondo na pag-iisip para ikamada yung mga tao.
Right.
No, yeah.
Sa
you mean it's not
respective-
true. It's not true.
respective land. Not that it's not true. It's overpopulation may be true sa isang lugar.
Yeah.
Pero that's only because we're not spreading
It's-
people
Yeah,
around.
concentration.
It's like, kunwari, Russia has so much land.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so much
yeah,
land.
But like,
Pati tayo
konti ng
maglagay
tao.
ng mga taga-Metro
Yeah,
Manila.
yeah.
Doon na naglipat na lang,
Dude,
diba?
mainit
Do you
eh.
know, do you know that the Philippines has 3 times the population of Canada?
Yeah.
Damn.
And they have
damn.
way more land
Can we
than
just
we do.
dump all the...
That's why a lot of Filipinos are going
Yeah,
there.
that's why a lot of
yeah.
Philippines-
In offset.
I remember I
6'7", dude, 6'7".
I remember there used to be this because I was researching stuff before about like how to get other other passports kasi sobrang walang kwenta yung Filipino
Yeah,
passport.
dude.
Right.
So sadly, I wanted to dual citizenship. There was
On what ground?
wala lang,
Yeah.
just whatever. And then there was this thing in Canada na if you live in like yung pinaka-probinsya area nila for a year, they'll grant you permanent residence.
Even if you're a hobo.
Yeah, as in like basta nandun ka, sobrang lamig. As in legit na lamig, walang araw. Pero if you can populate that area,
Sa'yo
they'll
na
grant
yun?
you. Oo.
Dude,
Tangina, so
Parang
pwede
game-
ka maging conqueror. ng
Hindi
isang-
naman conquer, pero like they'll give you residence in their country.
God damn!
Parang game ako dun.
this goes
Oh,
back
really?
to like
Game ako dun.
what Michael Jackson was trying to do. He just wanted like equality, but the people on top are not gonna be happy
Yeah.
with that.
All I mean,
Dude, equality will solve everything, bro.
Michael was having a perfect
Michael was right.
world
Yeah,
he
dude.
wanted to heal
in
the
mind.
Dude, look at his freaking songs. Heal the world,
Yeah.
Man in the mirror. Dude.
And
Yeah.
they're saying he's the bad guy?
Oh.
It's like a freaking Saturday morning cartoon, bro.
Yeah.
all
You
I'm
have
really
this guy-
saying.
That's
all I'm really
right,
saying.
Yeah. Before his last show, yung This Is It, he was saying na the history books were lying to
Yeah,
you. But
dude.
this is it.
So this wasn't
This is
it, Ren.
it.
No, dude, you know the
This
Titanic
is
theory?
it.
I bet.
Yeah, Titanic.
Yes,
Yeah.
wait
Yeah.
lang. Holy, ito ba yung may nag-warn sa kanila?
Yeah, no, like for example, Titanic
Oh,
was red dot will suddenly pop up in my,
Yeah.
my forehead right now. This is like the base level, it's an entry level conspiracy theory for so many conspiracies.
There's so many conspiracy theories around Titanic.
That-
So
yeah.
which one?
I think it's like a very canon event for so many things. So Titanic, apparently, based on conspiracy theories, okay, like there's this guy who wanted to own the World Bank. He wanted to own history books. He wanted to own Big Pharma. But of course, they won't let him, right? So he was like, okay, guys, ride my ship. Let's take a vacation around the world. He backed out of the trip last minute.
Ay, putang ina.
And then everyone who was competing against him sunk. And a year later, he owns everything. And a year later, CIA exists. And a year later,
Shit.
Israel is oops, I said the I word.
Wait, what's
It's
the
a
name?
country of what? The guy?
The guy?
this could be wrong because I don't memorize the names. I think it's like along the lines of JP Morgan and Chase or something like that.
This mother.
He's in everything.
I could be wrong, but I think he is the main guy who wanted all this stuff.
You already got gas, bitch.
Yeah, dude, imagine like, and this is 100 years ago. He set up the stage for where we are now.
Right.
Oh,
Like, everything now is
Yeah.
working according to his plan.
Well, yeah, kasi dati pa lang, di ba?
Is he
We're
God?
going back to the other episodes.
Oh,
Tesla
yeah.
was approaching him for funding kasi
Yeah.
I found a way to like make power free
Yeah.
and wireless.
Hell no, bro.
Sabi na, we going to Thomas Edison, man. Kasi yung business niya, wires and coal eh.
This week,
And
pare.
I remember, like, you know why he wanted
he's
to
not one
own
of us.
like
He's not one of
the textbook company for history books in America? Because he was like, and this is like his quote is online. I forgot who said the quote, but you can look it up. It's like one of those like evil old white dudes. His quote was like, he wants America to be full of workers, not full of like creative minds
Damn.
or artists.
Oh,
like
It's just a
workers.
big factory.
Yeah, we need workers. So what will you feed workers in school so that they can be effective workers? Math.
Dude, speaking of
Dude,
textbooks,
science.
you know how Epstein is married to Ghislaine Maxwell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
You-
married?
Yeah.
They're-
Well,
or
they're
a thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's their
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Situationship, I don't know.
Yeah.
So, ito si Ghislaine Maxwell.
Yeah.
Yung tatay niya, I might be mistaken for the name, Robert Maxwell or whatever.
Yeah.
Yung tatay niya is a fucking operative, a CIA or Mossad.
Yeah.
Tapos, may-ari sila ng publishing house that prints what? Textbooks for kids.
Oh,
Penguin?
man.
Yeah. No, not penguin. Not penguin. Not
Dude,
penguin.
if you look back at everything that was taught to us in grade school, it kind of just like supports the evil people.
It
Dude,
supports capitalism.
food
honestly.
pyramid, bro.
Yeah.
Carbs at the bottom. I don't think that's how
Go,
it's
bro,
supposed to
and
be.
go.
Yeah. No, they're like, and then the meat's higher than the carbs. It's like this food pyramid supports capitalism, bro. The easy to grow stuff,
Yeah.
the cheap things, and the stuff that makes you sick.
Yeah.
They put in the
I
bottom.
mean, the cereals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cereals are a
Breakfast
big
cereals.
psyop. Yung
Dude,
breakfast
breakfast
is-
cereals?
Yeah.
Dude, I made a like. This is the theme of my. Actually, the theme of this merch.
Brackos.
Like it was like I think it kind of like went over a lot of people's heads, which I like a bit because like I won't get in trouble. But like my whole point of that merch was like, dude, fun snacks are a trick. It's like a trick to make you sick to buy medicine. And they make you sick as kids so they can rake in the cash when you're 40 years old, right?
Supply and
Now you have
demand.
diabetes.
Exactly.
Now you have like these like maintenance
Mismo.
meds that you need.
Yeah.
And who do they trick? The naive kids who will force their parents to buy it because there's a cute character on it. And that's how the big pharma companies get so damn rich, dude.
God damn.
And why does FDA not approve stuff that actually helps you, bro?
Yeah.
Because it's cheap for us, and they don't want that.
Fuck the world.
Speaking of,
Oh, by the way, I just want to get it on record. I will never jump off a balcony on purpose. Okay?
got it.
Actually, lahat kami ba? Lahat kami ba?
We don't do that.
There's no suicidal.
We're not
Yeah,
suicidal.
yeah.
We are
Yeah.
very careful with our lives.
Wala akong
Yeah.
balcony.
Kaka-hire lang kay Dix.
Yes. Walang rason.
Walang rason.
Siguro 2 months ago. Pero ngayon wala.
Well, maraming rason, pero hindi sa amin.
We're stable mental health.
Very
Exactly.
stable.
Yeah.
Speaking of
Shucks lang.
conspiracies, singit ko lang ito mabilis.
Yes, sir.
Sa Titanic pala, before bumangga yung Titanic, meron palang barko na nag-warn sa kanila
Yeah.
na, oy, may yelo! Nakita na namin kanina.
Kabig.
So nakita nung
Yeah.
nung Titanic na winawarningan sila. Sabi na, tabi dyan, matibay ito. Yung pakay namin sa yelo, nagbibi ako ng yelo sa... Oo eh.
I don't know how accurate this is, but apparently witnesses who survived the Titanic said they heard an explosion before the iceberg.
Oh, 9/11 all
Yeah.
over again.
It's just a freaking cycle, bro.
I mean, pre 9/11.
Pre 9/11.
Yeah.
So technically, 9/11 is Titanic all over
Yeah.
again.
all over again.
You know, nowadays, after all the file drops and whatnot, like, I believe anything now. And there's this, like, theory that's, like, life, even through our lens, is, like, billions of years before the universe
Yeah,
ends.
dude.
But through a bigger lens, dude, that's just, like,
We're
2
a blip.
minutes.
We're a blip.
Yeah. So there are some beings, though, in this world that already knew what happened billions of years
way
ago.
before.
Probably.
So it's like they have hack already. They have a hack. They're like, oh, this is when this happens. This is
Yeah.
when this
Feeling ko
The
alam,
Anunnaki,
alam
man.
lahat ni Morgan Freeman.
He's gone, man.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Siya yung pinanganak para maging matanda. Yan.
Dude, imagine if you have that hack already in your mind and like you just like play life as if you played the game already before.
Or naka-new game ba?
I'll do different
Yeah.
this time.
Yeah.
Anyway, bunch of conspiracies, bro.
Bunch.
But what is the main conspiracy of this episode? We're now entering the U-Zone.
Lugar ng you.
Ganda.
Okay.
I prepared something. Pero during the course of our conversation, I'll just touch a couple. Okay? Touch a couple.
Bumago
Touch
na
a
yung
couple.
opinion mo.
Touch a couple.
You
Just
know who
like,
else is-
coffee.
Yeah, touch a couple.
Touch a couple.
R. Kelly. So, yung una, yung parang Titanic all over again. Dude, alam niyo ba na parang there are evidence na sinasabing ginagawa tayong testing bed ng CIA for things that they wanna apply in America.
So tayo.
Philippines
Tayo.
is the testing ground.
A testing bed.
Oh, man.
Take for example yung, naalala niyo yung vaccine for dengue na pumatay ng mga bata?
Dengue
yeah,
vaccine.
the dengue
Grade
vaccine.
school to, no?
Kaka-approve lang niya ngayon sa states na okay na siya gamitin.
Wait lang, kailan to? Ito yung bago?
Wait, pretty recent. I think I don't have the exact date.
Dengue
Pero
vaccine.
na-approve na siya ng FDA sa America. Pwede niya iturok yan. Parang nung 2016, 2017, pinagtututurok yun doon sa mga bata.
Oh, shit.
Tapos namatay yung mga bata. Kasi apparently, testing yun na parang kapag gumano sa kanila, pwede na siya natin.
Yeah.
So, tayo lang?
Isa tayo.
So we're like
Iba.
next level test lab rats, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look what happened with us. Sabi nila, the theory is, yung 2016 election with Duterte
I heard
is
this
a
one
fucking
also.
practice for Trump.
Kasi
For them.
November
Tokhang
eh.
is like ICE now.
Yeah,
Oh.
they used us as they used the Facebook specifically
Yeah.
and like online stuff as a way na parang, uy, gumagana yung fake news dito sa
Oh.
Pilipinas.
It's exactly the same playbook. Watch The Great Hack sa Netflix. You minus Trump, minus BLM and Blue Lives Matter. It's basically DDS.
Bro,
campaign.
is the Philippines like the real life Simpsons?
Yeah.
Or like, kung nangyayari dito, mangyayari sa
Yeah,
Philippines.
mangyayari.
So,
Sino-
ano?
nila.
Sino si Bart?
Asking the important
Wait.
questions.
So kung ano yung mga nangyayari ngayon, can we safely say
Oh.
na if there's something happening now,
Alam
it
mo,
will happen?
Yeah, it's gonna apply
Kasi-
in the future. Yeah.
Kasi meron ding shit sa US ngayon na redistricting ng Congress. So maybe one hopefully not, na one day magbarilan din sila sa Senate nila din.
oh, shit.
Dry run pala sa Pilipinas.
Dry run.
Dry run dito.
Dry run.
So,
So,
wait,
mauuto ba sila?
So,
What's happening now that we can use to our advantage na malalaman natin mangyayari?
Right.
I think, natalo Hinebra, di ba?
Di, panalo!
Panalo Hinebra?
Panalo Hinebra.
Hindi.
We can't use it in gambling, bro.
Kasi tinan mo, si 2016, paano nanalo si Duterte? Ang dami mga nagsulputang pages na, change is coming. Doon naman tayo sa strongman. Kailangan natin kami na bakal.
I'm a
Exact
Filipino.
same rhetoric kay Trump nung, we need someone different,
So,
change.
basically, whoever's controlling what's happening in the country is part of the US government.
Tayo
you
pala
think?
trendsetter, bro.
Tayo
Hindi
trendsetter.
sila. Tayo pala.
Tayo FGD.
Tayong
Tayo
FGD.
FGD.
Focus group.
Yeah, dude.
Ba't di tayo nagkaroon ng pahinga in between kupal presidents? No? Kasi sila nagkaroon din.
Nagkabarak sila eh.
Hindi nila in-expect yun na, talaga nag-iinip sila
Actually,
ng kupal on their own.
To hop on like Arlo's theory, it's like, dude, no wonder they made us like colonial mentality.
Yeah.
Para
Better,
same
better.
brain as Americans, so
Yeah.
they can
And
test it on us.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
They can
Dude,
test it on
maraming-
us first.
The CIA is everywhere.
No,
CIA
nakikiselebrate
is
nga tayo sa New York Knicks eh.
Whoa. Wala naman ganyan.
Come on, relax.
Bitch, I am a long-time fan
Yeah.
of
NBA.
the NBA. Wala akong pake sa PBA, bro.
Yeah.
I am a long-time fan of, let's say, anong magandang TV show? Drake and Josh?
Yeah.
Hell
Wala
yeah.
akong pake sa John and Marsha. Alam mo yun? Kumbaga, everything we do here, I don't like.
Yeah.
Everything they do there,
Dude,
You
I
like.
fucking
you know
love.
why? It's because I think they have separated media to control different social classes.
Yeah.
It's like,
yeah.
okay, we're gonna make John and Marsha to control
Right.
these people.
But they don't have that there.
Yeah.
The
It's
homeless
umbrella.
person in the
watches the same
States
thing. Watches
are
the same thing.
the most cultured person
Yeah.
you can you can find. Kumbaga, yung mga
Sage.
homeless daw doon, sinasabi, no, Nas is the GOAT, man. Nas is
Yeah,
the
they're
GOAT.
so smart actually.
Oo.
Pero yung mga cultured si Jay-Z daw. Diba?
Jay-Z, Drake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's not the same when it comes to the distribution of media and entertainment to different social classes.
Yeah,
There.
Dito sobrang layo na
sobrang
agwat.
layo.
Oo.
Sobrang layo
Sobrang
ng kwat.
layo.
Sipin mo, hindi mo isiping psyop yung Enting Kabisote.
Yeah.
Parang ano dito, weird dito. Wala.
You know, it's a psyop, but like to keep people dumb. On
Oh,
purpose.
yeah,
On
yeah,
purpose.
yeah, yeah.
You know, like I heard this prof of mine in design class in college said, alam mo, sadya na pangit yung posters para sa masa movies. Sadya, kaya naman nilang gawing art eh.
Yeah, yeah.
Pero sadyang pangit because they wanna keep people thinking they deserve less.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
ito yung lowest point of Pinoy TV entertainment.
Which is?
Nanood ako ng Mulawin nung bata ako.
Whoa!
From start to finish. Fucking fan, bro.
You love
Agilus,
it. You
ugat
love
pak.
Mulawin.
Ugat pak. Umiikot ako, kumuha ako ng balahib.
Mulawin merch was everywhere. I remember
Yeah.
when we were kids.
So,
Mulawin text, pare.
Gago, hinintay ko yung finale ng Mulawin. Inabangan ko siya.
Malaking event yun, actually.
Sobrang, yun yung pinag-uusapan sa school.
Oo.
Si Agilus, tao na, wala na siyang balahibo sa buhok. So, finale, inaabangan ko, yung King Ravenna. That time.
Si Haring Ravenna.
Oo, wala kinalaman to kala Kiefer.
Yeah.
Yung Ravenna that time, papatayin siya.
Okay.
Nahulog siya, bro. Nahulog siya sa bangin. Hindi na siya makalipad. Nung gumagano na siya, nahuhulog na siya, green screen. Tapos may tali. Sabi
Kita
ko,
sa
what
final
the fuck
cut.
is happening?
Kita sa final cut.
Lumusot.
Yes.
Lumusot.
Oh my
na
God.
sabi ko, putang ina, finale ito. Hindi nyo inayos.
Of the most high budget local
Yes.
show.
Yeah.
No?
Like, fuck. After nun, sabi ko, they don't fucking care.
Yeah.
They don't
No, 'cause
fucking
they know
care.
All I'm
People
hearing
watch it.
saying is pare.
They don't really care
It's the
about
last
They don't really
episode.
care about us.
Sir, CG pa ba natin to? Pack up na. Last na yan. Hindi na natin
Pack up mo na.
ibebenta.
Wala silang pake sa
Hindi na
art.
natin ibebenta yung next episode. Last na to eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
So parang fuck, sayang. Ganda nung story.
Yeah, dude.
Ganda ng Mulawin.
Oo.
Yeah. Alam mo, it's the same way na bakit konti lang yung nagko-conspiracy theory sa Pilipinas. Kasi conspiracy theories, kung hindi ka gullible, it invites you to critically think.
Yeah.
Magre-research ka, magpa-fact check ka. Pero
You won't just
tamad
believe it.
tayo eh. You won't just believe it.
Bukod doon, people are being ridiculed din eh.
Yeah.
Dude, that's part of it.
Yeah, that's part of
You
it.
know why people call Kanye crazy? It's because he's right.
That's right!
Yeah.
Sabi ni Dave.
Hold on.
No, that's right. You see, we're victims of the system.
Wait.
You look back.
Wait lang! I'm gonna join this train. Bro.
Yeah. Let's have it.
You look back at the clips of Kanye in 2017, 2015, all of us were saying, oh, crazy, freaking anti-Semitic, crazy dude. But now you're looking at it like, bro was right, though.
What's happening now?
Now we realize bro was right way back then.
I'm the youngest! I'm the youngest creative under the age of 35?
35.
35. Walt Disney, Steve Jobs,
The moment media starts calling them crazy, they're right.
Yeah.
You know they're right.
No, I do get that.
Okay, hindi ko sinasabing tama lahat.
Yeah, not everything.
Yeah.
Some
Yeah.
people really
Mahirap
are.
kasi-
Ang
Some
tama
people-
lang na sinabi ni Kanye is make America great again.
Alam mo,
No.
yan nga yung pinaka-tame na sinabi niya.
Yung mahirap kasi kay Kanye, he also makes it easy for them to call him crazy.
Yeah.
Pero,
Unless.
what if sadya para hindi siya patayin?
Yeah,
What
dude.
if?
Dude, crazy is his safety net.
Yeah.
Yun din yung theory ko.
Sadya
that's a
para hindi
good-
siya
Yun din yung theory
i-assassinate,
ko
no?
kasi I think alam niya yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
And he just wanna portray himself as crazy as a safety net.
Yeah, so they won't like replace
dude.
him. Replace
No,
him or
I
whatever.
really think that he was a genius. He was.
Yeah.
But something happened. I don't know if it's,
Paglabas yung hospital, ganyan na siya eh.
iba na siya eh.
There's something
Iba na
in
siya.
the Kardashian household,
Probably.
Probably.
Same thing
Watch out.
happened with Lamar Odom.
Yeah.
Watch
Same
out,
thing
Timmy.
happened with...
Tristan Thompson.
Oo.
Kaya sila naging bano after.
But I'm not...
Well.
Anyway, ang point ko lang naman
Yeah.
is Kanye was saying a lot of really eye-opening shit.
Yeah. And then shut up.
Before his time.
Right?
Before he got crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
You know how easy it is for them to fake a person, dude?
Yeah.
Like, nowadays, like, if I see a video of it, I just doubt it right away. Because, like, okay, the AI available to us
Yeah.
is still, you can see the
Yeah.
cracks. But how about their AI?
Yeah. They're way
Yeah.
advanced. Sabi nga
Yeah,
nila,
dude.
before they release it to the public, they're already
obsolete
like
na
3
yun,
years
yeah.
advanced, 4
Yeah.
years advanced.
I heard like 10 years advance.
10 years
yung
advance.
Yeah.
ano nila.
Dude, one thing I also love using as an analogy is like, GPS existed at wartime.
Yeah, exactly.
And we only got it, what, 2000s?
DARPA, yeah.
Yeah.
2000s.
Yeah.
So what do they have now that we don't have? Maybe
Exactly.
it's 2000
I
years
think
advanced.
it's probably 100 times more the technology that we have now.
It's more than we can comprehend. na
Yes.
siguro.
More than
I've
we can
always-
comprehend.
I've always
Revamp
had this.
Pepsi Blue, pare.
Yes, yun lang. I need Pepsi Blue back,
No,
dude.
you know what? Also, that they love disguising like things beyond our understanding in stuff we just have. Like, for example, cell phones, bro. I just accepted the fact that it's the perfectly orchestrated evil device. It's like surveillance for health, your eyeballs, where you are, who you talk to, everything, how you talk. Dude, if someone got all the data in your phone, they can clone you in an instant.
Yeah. Packaged
Oh, yeah.
as I can.
Yeah,
So, and package for you.
For
it's like
you.
selfie cam for you,
Yeah.
wide angle for you, face
Yeah.
recognition, thumb scanning for you. But
Yeah.
bro, it's so
For your
obvious.
convenience. though.
Yeah. Wait lang,
So
clarify
wait
natin
lang, I think
Yeah.
what you said
Yeah.
about the whatever that is, yung sa word lab rats basically.
Yeah.
For
of-
US.
For US.
Uh-huh.
I think medyo true zone siya.
True zone siya.
True.
bro.
Oh yeah.
True.
So
It's a
we
fact.
have True Zone versus
U-Zone.
U-Zone is
Oh.
conspiracy. True
Yeah.
Zone is
Yeah.
may something.
Kasi
May something.
parang you lang, kaya you zone.
Yeah, maybe
No,
it's just
because
for you. Maybe it's
surname niya is
Pero
U-Zone.
maganda. I'll use that from now on.
Actually,
Yeah,
okay.
maybe it's just for you.
Just for
Yeah.
you.
Just for
Yeah.
you.
Just for you. Ganda. Let's go! Dude, I've been thinking about kung paano i-explain na
Yung-
bakit U-Zone yung conspiracy. Kasi ako lang.
Ikaw lang.
It's because
Yeah,
it's just for you.
It's just for you.
you.
So I think this time, I think it's a true
True
zone.
zone.
a true
And
zone.
dude,
It
it goes,
is
it goes-
100%.
it goes back hundreds of years, bro. Like,
Yeah.
for example, like, or 100 years. Like, back when they colonized us, I bet they were testing sino pwedeng lab rat natin.
sure.
True.
Way back then, dude.
Yeah. Wait, i-clarify lang natin Kanye is right, but we love Jews. Okay?
Oh,
yeah,
Jews,
we
pare.
don't hate Jews.
Okay, ako, hindi ko masabi. Ito lang yung sa akin I've never met a Jew.
Madaming stand-up
I've met a Jew.
comedian.
I've
I
met a Jew.
never met a Jew.
I've met a Jew.
Bro, but the thing is, though, like, the Jews in power, are they the real Jews?
Yeah,
That's the thing.
yeah,
That's the
exactly.
thing.
They're using
They're
it.
using it.
They're using it.
You see all those like reels online of this trend where they're acting as if their dog's attacking them, but it's
Right.
just the dog just kind of chill. Have you
Yeah.
seen that trend on TikTok? All the comments are always like Jews be like, Jews be like, Jews be like. Yeah.
See what's happening, man.
Playing victim works, bro.
But yeah, to Arlu's point, when it comes to Jews, I have yet to meet a Jew.
Ganito lang yan. Para makakamote yan sa Dan nung pag-usapan natin last time. Okay? Di lahat ng juice masama.
Yeah.
Marami
Yeah.
lang masamang juice.
Di mo
Yeah,
alam
yeah,
rin
yeah,
What
yeah,
if
yeah.
they're all good? It's just the media.
No, man. There are bad Jews.
bad
Bad Christians.
Shout out Adam Sandler. No,
It's one of the good ones.
Dude, in Hollywood is all them, bro.
Yeah.
All of
Di
them.
ba nakita mo yung chart? Na
Yeah.
parang who's
What,
the
Kanye
owner
one?
of this
the
one?
Kanye one, the
Di
Excel
ba
sheet.
Dave Chappelle said na,
I ain't gonna say what race.
He was a Jewish doctor.
It was a Jewish dog.
The real...
Zero pressure. He just holds it.
Camera was like, okay.
Sir, hold on a
Jewish guy.
minute. Do you wanna?
But yeah, before we wrap this
Yeah.
thing
Ah,
up,
shit, man. We gotta end?
yeah, we gotta end because I think every good thing,
Yeah.
Has to come.
May part 3 coming to, bro.
may part 3 to.
We gotta
We
do this
gotta-
again.
We need to
man.
do a
It's
trilogy
unfinished shit.
because it's more fun now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have, if you remember, we have a walang edit question,
Okay.
which is what we call the question.
Question. Why is it called the question?
Because
'Cause
we
for
spell it
we.
QWEES Sean.
Question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parang
Quiz kasi.
So itong question na ito, nanggaling to kay JB Suarez.
James.
I don't know if
James.
you've seen JB Suarez.
Jables.
Siya yung pinaka number 1 sa engagement yata online right now.
Pag mag-U-turn
Suarez.
ka, wag pa ganito.
Oh, that guy.
Si Ate
Yeah.
Kamote
In the
Gang
car.
leader.
In the
Yeah,
car.
yeah, yeah.
And he has the whiteboard.
Yeah.
He has a whiteboard.
I've seen that guy. I've seen that guy.
Very cool guy. Ang question niya ay, anong mga bagay na hindi mo kayang sabihin sa mga kahit anong taong, ano ba to? Wait lang Ulit.
Deep Filipino here.
Ano mga bagay na hindi mo kayang sabihin sa mga taong malapit sa'yo na willing ka i-share ngayon? So
Out a
basically,
secret.
what's something that you haven't told anyone? Like even sa closest friend mo or family member
I think I'm gonna need you to go out.
na willing ka i-share
Wait lang.
to the world.
Hold on. Excuse me,
Right.
guys.
Oh, wait. As in, like, something I've never told anyone.
But you're now gonna tell everyone.
Now I'll just have it recorded on a podcast.
Yes. Casually drop
That's how we
that.
do it right now.
Yeah.
So who
I
did you
don't know,
kill?
bro.
It could be a trivial thing. Na
Yeah,
you
yeah,
never
yeah.
done.
Could be
I'm thinking-
anything.
The thing is, I'm such an oversharer that I tell everyone everything.
Like if you could share it to us with one sentence lang.
One sentence. Oh,
Tapos
wait.
sinimulan niya, I have a cousin.
My cousin's friend. Oh, wait. I don't know, bro. What have I not told people?
I think a lot of things.
Wait, maybe if you give me like a category.
Ooh.
Okay, sige.
This is what's gonna narrow it down.
Okay.
Crime.
Crime.
No.
Petty crime. Oh, I got a lot of petty.
Eto, mas okay ito.
Sige.
Oh shit.
Something na tingin mo, a lot of people are doubting.
Doubting.
Yeah. But long ago mo nang iniisip na and naniniwala ka
Totoo yan eh.
na
Ah.
totoo to.
Oh, something that people doubt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something didn't
general.
believe in you.
Something that people have not believed in. But for the longest time, you've believed na, fuck, this is one of my believies.
Yeah.
Totoo to.
Like the CIA killed JFK.
Oh, it's conspiracy theory shit.
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Some.
Make it local.
The weirdest
man.
one you believe in.
The this is like really shallow, but I just like kind of accept that some of us are aliens, bro. I
They walk
really think it.
among us.
Not just that, but I think actually okay. Here, let's go level deeper, dude. I think all of us are aliens, dude.
What
Whoa.
the
No, because if
fuck?
you think about it, like I think we were a colony of an old alien race that
Are
just
you talking about
planted.
the Anunnaki, man?
They just planted us on.
You talking about The Rock, bro?
Bro, think about this. Think about this. Like, and I really believe this because
Why pala?
we're the only animal on Earth. If you just like throw us into the wild, we won't survive.
Yeah.
No natural clothing, no claws, no teeth.
We're
I don't know
not
about you
native.
guys, but maybe I will, man.
Try natin. The next walang edit.
Dude, but to your point, all of the things that we crave are bad for us.
Yeah, dude.
And our backs hurt lagi.
Why are
kasi
we allergic to Earth, bro?
Yeah, we're allergic to Earth.
Yeah. It's like we weren't made to be here. And the missing link. Are you telling me our science is so advanced we never found the missing link of
I
humans?
found a
and-
couple of missing links, bro. Like if you just look outside,
No,
that guy's probably one of the missing links.
no, but okay, here's the scary thing. I'm like, okay, let's say totoo na we're all aliens. Why can't we know it? Why is it bad to not know we're all aliens? Because like, if you think about it, like, let's say, okay, we're aliens. Tell everyone we're aliens. What changes? It's because religion won't have power anymore.
Oh,
That's why.
the fucking narrative.
So I think we're all aliens, but like, they can't control us once we know we're all aliens.
Yeah.
It's like
Right.
God's not real, whatever.
It's like you're waking up from the Matrix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
That's good.
personally, I'm chill. Tell me I'm an alien. I'm like, kaya pala.
Kaya pala, it would explain so many things.
Kaya pala.
Actually,
Yeah.
you
Would
can't
explain-
spell alien without lie, bro.
Oh, shit! Dude, and you know what else? I saw this like TikTok recently that showed like all animals have the same language. The cadence just changes. Like a bear and a whale sound, just change the pitch and speed. It's the same. Mouse is the same. Tao lang yung hindi
Or the
ganun.
odd man out.
Yeah, tao lang.
And we
hindi.
have a lot of languages.
Yeah,
actually.
that's true.
Yeah.
Some people are just
Dude, and like, think about this. Why is our family trees like... You were being racist right there. I just like breezed over
That wasn't.
I was like, but you know, walang edit, whatever. Anything goes, right? Dude, think about like just 4 generations back. Why is it so hard to know who was your... Like, where you came from?
Yeah. Bakit nga? Oo.
Diba?
Kailangan pa ng genealogy ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's my...
Yeah, I don't even know,
Is
like,
it
when-
U-Zone, True Zone?
Dude, I've seen that theory. Do you watch the Y-Files?
The Wi-Fi.
That's where I
What is
heard that
this?
theory. Na parang
Oh,
our
shit.
bodies is rejecting Earth. We always get sick. When was the last time our pets get sick?
Yeah,
It's so
never.
seldom.
Yeah, dude.
But we always get sick.
Ay, daming aso na parbo.
Sa pagaling yung
Seldom.
parbo, di ba?
No, but if you think about it, a lot of sicknesses for dogs come from humans.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, and like
yeah.
a lot of sicknesses that
Like neglect.
neglect or like chemical. It's
kasi.
chemical caused or like
Right,
the
right, right.
sickness.
Oh yeah, we're changing kasi the fucking
environment, yeah.
God damn.
Like,
we are aliens.
The fact na the Earth is a nitrogen rich, like the atmosphere is nitrogen rich, but we
Yeah.
breathe oxygen.
Yeah.
It's kind of
Okay.
fucked up na.
Yeah, I think we are.
Dude, and you know what else? I think that Superman is like they're telling us the truth in front of our faces.
Oh, shit!
Like we came from a Krypton where
Yeah.
we naturally thrive.
Yeah.
Pero wala na siya.
I really think that, you know,
Dude,
some
that connects
people,
to so many theories.
some people came from Uranus, you know.
Jesus.
Yes, like happy
No,
pride.
and I think races are different alien planets. I think.
Right.
Dude, do you know, okay, very quickly lang. Do you know yung theory na kung bakit iba-iba yung race natin? Kasi nung yung mga aliens that went to Earth, parang alam nila kung kaninong tao sila, kaninong master sila. They made their slaves into their likeness. Parang, tao ni ano yan, ni...
Yeah.
Bata niyo yan.
Bata ni
Oh,
Chong Wiley
shit.
yan. Kaya lahat sila ganun.
Oh, but the science. but dude, I will say this though. It's so hard to back up that theory that I just said that aliens are different races kasi the evidence is kind of solid yung fact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like if you just see like, oh, we just kind of adapted to where we live.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
But I think like, okay, we're all alien races. Kunwari, there was a cold planet and they went there. And there was a hot planet and they
Yeah,
lived
that's
there.
that was the theory. No, parang the planet was dying. They needed gold. We had a lot of gold. So they mined here.
Bakit
But
gold ba? Is it like a
gold is like a magical
Yeah,
metal
gold
if you
is
think
the,
about it.
it's the only thing that can't be broken down by other
But like,
elements.
do we
Isn't
need
that-
it?
It
diamond?
cleanses shit.
No,
like,
as in yung hindi siya nagko-corrode.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
it can travel through space na
if
hindi na walang
you can
mangyayari.
use gold to like parang cleanse, like
Oh,
kunwari,
really? Rule the
cleanse.
world.
make it a
Yeah,
better
yes,
place.
Yeah. Bling. You know, that stuff.
But apparently in their planet, they need gold to repair their parang ozone or something.
Oh, shit. And they
Okay,
needed
okay.
it from Earth.
Earth has a rich parang deposit of gold.
Yeah.
Ay na, alam mo seryoso na nakaganon na.
Okay.
Engage serious mode.
But
And then
yeah,
nag-lock in no?
Yeah.
I believe that's a true zone also.
Yeah.
We
But-
are all aliens, bro.
Yeah, we are. Yun ang title ng episode na to, by the way.
We are all
aliens.
We are
Or baka
aliens.
magbago pa yung
aliens.
utak ko. Pero before we let you go, bro, you need to ask the next guest na, kunyari, hindi mo kilala.
Oh shit, Aaron is big on conspiracy theories. Dude, I just had like we went to this branded dinner and like the whole time magkatabi kami like just exchanging conspiracy theories.
Okay.
Sorry to
Oh,
out
man.
you.
Fuck.
This is like
What
a
are the
primer.
fucking chances?
This is
I
like
know.
Anyway, ngayon ko lang
I'm
in-announce
telling
yung
you,
next guest.
bro, it's like it's all connected. Okay, here's my theory for
Question.
question. It
Question,
is a
sir.
theory. I can ask a theory, no? I can ask her if she has theories on it. What's the most batshit conspiracy theory that you think is true?
man.
Ay, puta.
Next episode's gonna be wild.
Yeah.
God
That's gonna be
damn.
wild.
Bring your laptop, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Aaron and me have just been like exchanging conspiracy theory links the past 2 weeks.
Okay,
Dude.
okay,
She
okay.
knows this stuff.
Oh, man.
Grabe. Dalawang episode na nakaganto ng tao.
Dude.
But I'm here for it. But bro, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
That's probably 10 times better than the last time you visited.
Because last time it was like surface level.
Yeah.
Surface
We
level.
didn't know how deep we could go.
Yeah.
But thank you so
Balls
much, Rako.
Yeah.
We'll catch one of your live events. Promise yan. May utang ako sa'yo. Isa.
Yeah, I'll just send you
Can't
an
Yeah,
wait to
yeah.
try yung blend mo rin.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
You can
It was
order it
just very
on
good.
Grab, dude. You can order on Grab.
And
Yeah.
follow Rako Bell if you haven't yet. One of the most creative. Hindi siya probably. One of the most creative
Dude, I like how we
people.
didn't talk about any of that shit.
Yeah. I mean, they already know that
Yeah,
shit.
whatever. Watch the other episodes.
Yeah.
Big
But
rock.
thank you so much. Big fan as always.
Same.
More success. Arlu. Yes. Mr. Uzone. Dex Conche, Mr. Employed.
Yeah, Mr. Employed.
And Pau, the...
Mr. Pogi.
Mr. Pau Search naman yan.
Search naman yan.
But thank you so much. I love this episode. On to the next. Kailang namin in-announce yung next guest. So, stay tuned for Aaron. Second, Shit! Sobrang ganda siguro ng next episode. Sobrang ganda.
Can you imagine if both of them are here?
Dude,
We'll
let's
do
do
that.
it. Let's
We
do it.
will do that
Let's
shit.
do it.
The trilogy will be silang
But,
dalawa.
yeah.
Closer.
Rako Bell
Crossover episode.
will return. In Avengers Doomsday. At dahil dyan, wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.